Heads up, wolves! Testing is right around the corner, and the last thing you want is a laptop that decides to update right when you're starting your exam. To avoid your laptop crashing or starting a long update right in the middle of your exam, you need to update your device now. Don't wait until the last minute.
The easiest way to do this is to do a manual check. Click the Windows icon located at the bottom of your screen, and then click the Settings icon that looks like a gear. Scroll to the bottom left side of the new window and click Windows Update. This might take a few seconds. If you see updates listed, click the blue Install link. The updates should start downloading immediately and could take several minutes depending how many you need. If it says you are up to date, click Check for Updates one more time, just to be sure there aren't any hidden ones waiting. You may also see a Restart Required notification. If you see this, then you must restart your computer. Please note that simply closing the screen is not the same as restarting the computer.
Some of these updates are big. Running them can take a lot of time and may require multiple restarts. Make it a habit to leave your laptop powered on, plugged in, and connected to Wi Fi overnight so it can handle those restarts while you sleep. And finally, if you see a message stating your version of Windows has reached the end of support, don't panic. Just bring your laptop directly to the Tech Hub located in the JSU, and we will get you a new laptop so you're ready for testing day. Don't wait until the night before the test. Update your laptop today so you can focus on your score, not your software. Happy testing, wolves!